All right, it's Wednesday, February 26th. I'm buying some Meta at 667.24. This is here at the blue line on the breakout of bar number one to the upside, breaking out above the pre-market highs, kind of above the midpoint of the prior day after kind of a hammer day. So we have a little pullback potential after some downward price action here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 days up into this gap, back to the somewhere in here up to the 680 area. Even if this is a downward, trend that's started to unfold, we're certainly getting the buying coming in a big picture uptrend stock. So you kind of wait for these days to develop after a pullback. Weekly chart with a half the week, kind of gone by. We're going to see here if this ends up maybe kind of just continuing down 2 weeks into a gap area. Maybe by the end of the week we close with a bit of a hammer bar back to the upside, but that's remained to be seen. So, it's just a matter of a good strong opening here. This would be the only day given the last, bunch of days to try to buy it and see if we get a little bit of a rally just to kind of, work back up. But you can see here the broadening targets right up here in the 675 area. So there's enough volatility. If we get a little bit of follow through, we can scale out, set up an overage trade, hold the midpoint of that first bar, and then see if we get a little directional move this morning, on an overall good stock that's had a pretty deep pullback, but I think people are looking to buy. So this would be an example of a type of day to buy it. Given the the opening price action and the bit of a hammer bar from yesterday.